This is the tutorial for this 36-degree Bascetta star, and as you can see, the uniqueness of this star is actually you will see that it's flat in this surface. Yeah, this is because this is conformed to the polyhedron, and also you can see the line here is straight. This part is a straight line. We start off with a sheet as a template. Fold it in half to make a pinch mark. And go to the right to fold half. And from here, we want to go to the left and make the middle mark again. We will repeat this for 5 folds. Once this here, go to the right again. And finally to the left. This is the reference. Repeat on the other side. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we want to fold from point to point, from this point to the other side. This will be our template. Get another sheet of paper, align to it, and make the fold. So we'll start the fold. This is one unit. Then assembly will be just like regular. We have the flap here. Insert to the pocket like this. and just twist it. This is one peak, and assemble 30 to form the Kusudama.